Today, I will explain to you about the installation and debugging of our electric feeder, the problems and solutions encountered. Here are two common problems encountered by customers. The first problem. As you can see from the video, after installation, the tail gear cannot be stopped by manual adjustment. It keeps rotating and slipping. The tail always doesn't stop. The second case is that the film cannot be torn. For the above two problems, let's explain the handling methods. The first reason is that the tightness of the sideband is not adjusted correctly. So we can see that the tension of the film is achieved by the height of the yellow screw in the middle. The adjustment principle is shown in the figure. The higher the screw is, the greater the curvature of the film. That is to say, the gear will trigger the limit switch with less force. Relatively speaking, the lower the screw, the smaller the curvature of the film, the greater force is required to trigger the switch. The tension of the film is stronger. It is more difficult to trigger the bottom limit switch. However, this situation will cause the tail motor to keep rotating and cannot stop. Sometimes it even breaks the film. So the solution we need to take. We need to adjust the height of the screw to a suitable level to obtain a reasonable tension so that the film can be torn just right. Let me show you how to do it. How to adjust the height of the screw. Let's start by unscrewing the screw on the side. Because the film cannot be torn apart, we can adjust the screw by turning it clockwise. Turn it clockwise for a full turn. We can see that after adjustment, the film can be torn in time. Let's adjust the screw in the middle. We can see that the film is pulled a bit too tight. So, we can adjust the screw counterclockwise. We can see that we have adjusted it too much. In this case, the film will be torn slowly. So we turn it back clockwise a little more. Let's try again. Now we can see that it has been adjusted. We can tear off the film in time. And the gears behind can also stop in time. This is the state we want.